So next up, let's give you a quick demo of the voice AI.
Hey, you have reached ABC Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm having a little bit of an emergency. My toilet is clogged and there's everywhere.
Oh no, that sounds like a real mess. Let's get this sorted out for you. Can I start by getting your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Tim.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Tim. Is
Yeah.
that correct?
Yes.
Great, thanks, Tim. Could you please provide your address so we can send someone over to help?
Yeah, it's 123 Sesame Street, 75201.
Thanks for that. Just to confirm, your address is 123 Sesame Street, 75201.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Perfect. Is the number you're calling from a good one to reach you back on?
Yeah.
Awesome. Our team will get back to you as soon as possible to confirm their arrival time. Hang in there, Tim.
All right, so you saw a demo of one of the tools. So Employee AI comprises 6 tools, okay? And I'm going to go over all of them. The first one is Content AI, Review AI, Conversational AI, Workflow AI, Funnel/Website AI, and then also lastly, the Voice AI, okay? So let me go over each of them. Content AI. So this basically enables this enables businesses to create content using AI. It can help create social media posts. It can help with creating emails, website headlines, blogs, and much more. So Review AI is the second one, and this basically automates the management of reviews. So basically there are 2 settings. The first one is where you can set it to give suggestions, and you can pick which review response you want, and then you can choose. The second one is you can set it to autopilot, and the Review AI will automatically reply to reviews. The third one is Conversational AI. So this is like automated chat bot experience. It has a capability to handle inquiries, frequently asked questions, appointment schedule. Now, this does require proper training and context, okay? All right, so next one is Workflow AI. Now, according to HighLevel, I'm going to just put it in quotes, right? It integrates with ChatGPT within the workflow builder, allowing for customized automation of complex processes and workflows. Now, I got to tell you, I have not implemented Workflow AI just because I think it's I just haven't, because it's just too complicated for me. All right. So, but I'm still doing my business without it. All right. Next one is the Funnel AI. So that basically gives you the ability to use AI to create funnels based on specific prompts that you give it. Okay. And then lastly, this is what you saw in the show clip, is the Voice AI, also known as AI voice agent. Now, I get confused as to which one it is, if you put the AI in front or the AI in the back. But either way, this is a new powerful tool that handles inbound calls. Basically, it has the ability to interact with the customers naturally and perform actions based on specific goals. And so it is, as you can see, that it works really well. And now, important note with regard to the Voice AI, it only works with accounts that has the lead connector phone number. So it does not work with accounts if you've set up your Twilio directly. All right, so let's talk about the special promotion that HighLevel is doing from November 15th till the end of 2024. Okay, so during that period, AI employee will be free for all paying, let me repeat this, paying HighLevel customers. If you're on a free trial, you will incur per usage charge. Okay, so if you would like to really fast track your and really committed to building your business, I recommend going with the pro account. I'll put the link for there is a separate link if you want to get the pro account, as opposed to getting the 30-day I guess the lowest and the middle tier account. So I'll put those are two separate links below in the description. And make sure also to sign up for my free community where I put my master course on how to set up your HighLevel account. All right. So there's courses in there. So make sure you sign up for that course. I'll put the link as well to the free community. All right. So now, how do you claim this promotion? So once you have a paying um, HighLevel account, make sure you see a tab on the left-hand side of your account. You will see a AI promo tab. Okay, and I have not yet seen it because it's not November 15th as I'm recording this video. You will be required to put in your billing preferences, and so you will need to input your, I guess, I'm not sure, whether you check off or whether I'm sure that, you can use the same credit card that's associated with your account. I'm not sure, but make sure you put that, go to that promo tab on your account. And then also another thing I want to mention is that HighLevel is doing there is a workshop. I'll put the link below. I think this workshop is specifically tailored to the employee AI and how you can package it and sell this to your customers. All right, so let's go over the pricing. Now, if you look at the table that I have in front of you, there is the per usage charge associated with each. Now, voice AI is 13 cents per minute, and then conversational AI is 2 cents per minute, and then review AI, 8 cents a review. And then content AI is depending on words or image, it's 9 cents, 6 cents, and then funnel AI is 99 cents per funnel, and then workflow AI assistant is 30 credits per day. Now, I got to tell you, from all of my current customers, currently at this point, I'm just utilizing review AI and conversational AI at this point. Out of my 13 customers, they're not using any of these. I think that the most impactful tools that are going to be utilized are going to be the voice AI, conversational AI, review AI. The others will be beneficial, but I don't think it will be as impactful because at the end of the day, for local businesses, they're very busy, and so I think as much as content and funnel AI, I don't think is something that they themselves are going to be utilizing because I'm trying to build a white label SaaS that is less work for me. So, and as automated as possible to help the business get the most return on their investment, which is my charge to them for my white label SaaS, right? And so I think that just moving forward, the pricing for my white label SaaS, I think, from I'm talking to you as an agency owner, right? So if you're an agency owner, right, build your white label SaaS that is going to be most impactful. And so you probably want to create two tiers, or maybe just one tier where you're just selling the employee AI, right? Everybody's business is going to be different, and every industry may be different, right? And the way that I'm going to approach it is basically separate my base package and then give them the employee AI as an add-on, and that's a higher level package for a higher price, monthly price, right? So I'm going to be testing this out, and I hope that if you like what you've seen so far, and give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you can subscribe and give me a feedback. Let me know what you think about employee AI, and let me know what your questions are so that I can address them and do future videos to help you develop your business. And if you're a local business owner, by all means, write your questions down as well, and hopefully I can help you, make more profit in 2024 and beyond 2025. All right. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye now.